shots. There we go. Look at that. There are our two cheetah. Oh, fantastic. What a lovely surprise. Oh, I don't know when last we actually saw cheetah. And there, you might have spotted an interesting bird just off to the left. We're just going to scan a little bit to the left, and you'll see a comb duck. There we go. Look at that massive knob on its bill, or comb. It used to be known as a knob-bill duck. It's called a comb duck. Look at that. That is a male with the big comb on its beak or bill, and that's obviously to attract a female. That's very nice. I don't think. Actually, I know I haven't shown you comb ducks on Safari Live before. Oh, I haven't seen them. I don't know if you have. I'm sure you would have seen them before. But that is massive. That is. Now, Kirsten says I think they've seen them with Scott before. So it's all happening here. Let's head back to those cheetah. But that's a nice new bird for some of you who haven't seen the comb duck before. Oh, this is fantastic. Be able to see the